Most people get credit builder accounts wrong from the very beginning. They assume anything called credit building is automatically safe, useful, and fast. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Some credit builder products help you grow your score, while others mainly help companies collect fees while your progress moves slowly. So today we are breaking down the Self-Credit Builder account in 2026 and answering the real question. Is it legit and actually worth your money, or just another slow way to build credit? Let's start simple. The Self-Financial Credit Builder account is designed to help people build or rebuild credit without needing a traditional credit card. Instead of giving you instant credit, it works like a structured savings loan that reports your payments to credit bureaus. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you open an account, you choose a monthly payment amount. That money is placed into a secured savings-style account. You do not get access to it right away. Instead, you make monthly payments, and those payments are reported to credit bureaus like Experian and others. But here's the problem most people miss. You are basically paying yourself in a locked system, while also paying fees in some cases. That means your credit is not being built through borrowing and spending like a normal credit card. It is built through installment loan reporting only. Let's break it down with a real example. Imagine Alex has no credit history. He opens a self-account and pays $25 per month. Over time, those payments get reported. After a few months, his credit file starts showing consistent installment history, which helps improve his score. But here's the catch. Alex cannot use that money freely during the process. It is locked until the account matures or is paid off. That means it is not a flexible financial tool. It is purely a credit-building system. Now here's where it gets interesting. Self also reports to multiple credit bureaus, which is good, but results are not instant. Most users see gradual improvements over several months, not weeks. So patience is required. Another important detail is cost. There is usually a small administrative fee involved depending on the plan. That means you are paying for access to credit building, not just saving money. So, is it legit? Yes, it is a legitimate credit building product. It is widely used and does report real payment history. But the bigger question is whether it is efficient for your situation. If you have zero credit and need a very structured, hands-off way to start building history, it can be useful. But if you want faster results or more flexibility, a secured credit card might be a better option. Here is the final takeaway. The Self-Credit Builder account is legit, stable, and low risk. But it is not the fastest or most flexible way to build credit. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, leave a comment about your credit situation, and subscribe for more simple explanations that help you make smarter financial decisions.